for 1 hour.
For 1 hour. This is morning. This is evening. This afternoon. And this is night.
I see the sun high in the sky in the afternoon.
In the morning, half trees and grass is half sunrise.
Excellent.
Sunrise.
Sunrise.
The weather, what is the weather?
Is warm.
Warmer.
I'm talking about
The sun is
highest.
Highest.
The
Very
weather.
good.
Like this.
The weather
Excellent.
at noon is
The weather is hot.
very hot.
Very good. All right. So
after-
Minha gave us the first two. Excellent job, Minha. I like that you acted it out so we could really see it. Excellent job. Morning, I see the sun's low. Afternoon, it's high. I like your moon and your stars. Let's take a look at everybody's homework. Okay, here we have Cindy's homework. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Very good with the sunset in the evening. You didn't write the weather though, Cindy, but thank you for at least doing this much. Next time, make sure you do all of the homework, okay? Here's Min Huang's. Excellent sunrise. I see the sun nice and high in the afternoon. Min Huang, can you tell us what you wrote?
In the morning, the sun is normal. It's not hot and not cold. When it turns to afternoon, it is very hot. Evening comes out. It will colder. In the night, it will turn to very cold.
Very good. So instead of evening come out, I'd say in the evening, it will get colder. Very good, Min Huang. Leo, can you tell me what the weather is like in the morning?
The weather's warm in the morning.
Excellent. And what happens in the afternoon?
The afternoon is super hot.
Excellent job, Leo, and nice drawing. Next we have, I'm not sure. Oh, Mickey's. Nice job, Mickey. Let me turn this around for us. Here's Zalin's. Beautiful drawing, Zalin. Let's see if Zalin has. So the afternoon is when it's hot up here. And the evening is when the sun is setting and it's a little bit cold. Okay? So you just switched those two around. Okay, here we have Sal's. Very good. This is Sal's nighttime. Sal's evening. Sal's afternoon. It's warmed up. And the morning. Sal, what makes the evening? Is Sal in class yet? There we go. Sal, what makes the afternoon so hot? I think so, guys. Remember, the sun is making things hot. The sun makes it hot. So when the cloud covers the sun, it's like you're standing in the shade, right? It's windy. It's not as sunny outside, so it makes it colder. All right, and Sal's morning, very good. Here's Leihan. Hannah, can you tell me what the weather is like?
The weather in the morning is lower than in the afternoon. And in the morning, it's warm.
Very good. And what about the afternoon?
The afternoon, the sun is in the highest place, and it's hot.
Excellent job, Hannah. Thank you. All right, here's Emma's. Here is Quee's. A very cute drawing, Quee.
Yeah.
Quee, what is the weather like at... Oh, okay, one moment, Quee. So the morning, you're right. And noon is the afternoon. And afternoon, this one's the evening. Micah, can you tell us what the weather's like in the evening?
In evening, the sun is going down and earth is getting cooler.
Very good. That's the evening. And then what about nighttime? What's it like?
Nighttime, the sun has gone, the full moon and stars are up in the sky.
Very good. Thank you, Micah. Okay, guys, good job on your homework. And now for the second part of your homework. Everybody, hold up your chart with either your temperature or your centimeters of precipitation. Everyone should have something written down on day 1. How many centimeters of precipitation or what was the temperature? Kwang Hai, did you write down the temperature yesterday?
Yes, here. It is 5 centimeters.
Perfect. Wonderful job, Kwang Hai. And let's see. Micah, Noob, everyone.
I put it outside.
Excellent. How many centimeters did you get?
2 centimeters.
Very good. Okay. So if you have a rain gauge, it takes 1 minute. Go outside, pick it up. 3 centimeters. I write down 3 centimeters. I empty it and I set it back down outside. 1 minute. For temperature, everyone doing temperature, all you do is look at it, type in the computer, what temperature is it today? And then write it down, less than 1 minute. Hacker, did you put a rain gauge outside?
0.
0?
Yeah.
You didn't get any rain last night?
It is rain and it's so strong and my rain gauge is go down and I see it, but it's not used. It more.
I see. So Suri had the same thing. Maybe try putting rocks around the bottom of it so it doesn't fall over, okay? So let's get into today's lesson. First, let's hear from Lehan. Lehan, is there water in the air?
Yeah.
Yes, you're right. There is water in the air. Very good.
The cycle.
Yes, very good. I know you were in on the last class, Lehan. Don't cheat. There is water in the air. As a cloud or just floating around? Chi, is there water on Earth's surface?
Yes.
Yes, can you give me an example?
The ocean.
Excellent, the ocean, a lake, very good. How does the water get from the air to the surface?
The air gets into the cloud and then the cloud will rain.
Exactly, very good, from rain, right? The rain comes down and then it's on the surface. Excellent job. So how does the water get from the surface up to the air, the other way around? Kwang Hai?
The water go to the sky and it's too hot and it becomes the cloud and the cloud not too.
We're gonna pause there. Don't say the entire thing, Kwang Hai. Just how the water gets up to the clouds, and you're right. It's because it's hot and it goes up into the sky. It turns into a gas, right? So that's how it gets from the surface to the sky. It turns into a gas because of the heat. Very nice, Kwangheim. Who knows what a cycle is? Noob? Teddy, what do you think a cycle is?
think a cycle is the wheel of the bicycle.
Yeah, how is the wheel of a bicycle like a cycle? What does the cycle do?
I think because it's round and can roll around so we can go.
All right, so it goes around. It goes around and around. Because there are other cycles too. Remember, we've learned about life cycles, a bicycle.
It also goes round and around.
Yeah, it also goes around and around. So over and over again, what does that sound like? It's similar to a word we learned yesterday, pattern, right?
Yes.
So the pattern, it repeats. So what do you think the water cycle is? Where do you think there's water on Earth, Hacker? Where's all the water on Earth?
It's what's on Earth is an ocean.
Excellent. And then where does the water go from the ocean, Hacker? Does it stay there the whole time?
Water go to the ocean is a lake or a pond.
And what about up in the sky? Is there water in the air?
Or the tree.
Mm-hmm. Is there water in the air, Hacker?
No.
There's no water in the air?
Yes.
Yes, there's clouds, right? Clouds are water. Let's see, or let's take a look at this. So here's the water cycle. Remember, it goes around and around and around and around. So that water goes up into the sky, and then it comes down into the ocean again, and up and down. So everyone, show me, where is the water when it's in a lake? It's down here, right? Where does it go when it goes into the sky as a cloud? It's up here, right? And then when it rains, back down. And when it goes into the sky, and it goes around and around, right? This is the water cycle, a cycle of water. Sal, could you read this for me, please?
Where does the water go? The water cycle is the way water moves from Earth's surface into the air and back again. The water cycle is another pattern that does not have a beginning or an end. The water cycle causes weather to change.
Very good. Excellent job, Sal. So the water cycle is the way that water moves from the Earth's surface into the air and back down again. And everyone, does this just happen one time?
No.
No, it happens what? Over and over and over again. Does this mean that the water cycle is a pattern? Yes, the water cycle is a pattern. What other pattern did we learn about? Who remembers another pattern that we've learned? Remember, it goes morning. What comes after morning?
Afternoon.
Good. And after afternoon is evening. And what comes after evening, Ocean?
Night.
Night. And then what comes after night?
Morning.
Morning, afternoon, evening, night. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. Good, Ocean. That's an example of a pattern, right? What other pattern have we learned? Suri, do you remember another pattern? Remember it goes summer and then fall. And what comes after fall when it's really cold?
Winter.
Winter, and then?
And then spring.
Spring, and then summer, over and over and over again. Remember, patterns repeat. Good job, Suri. So the water cycle is just another pattern. It happens over and over and over again. Why is the movement of water from the surface into the air and back again a pattern? Why is that a pattern? Min Huang?
Because it's again around.
Very good. Again and again. It repeats. Excellent job, Min Huang. What does the water cycle do to the weather? So if the water cycle didn't happen, would we have clouds?
No.
No. So how does the water cycle change the weather, Teddy?
The water cycle helps to make clouds and the clouds rain so we can have
That's exactly right. It changes the weather by making it cloudy, windy, rainy. Okay, let's learn some words. The first word is evaporation. Everyone say evaporation.
evaporation.
Very good. And based on these pictures, what do you think evaporation is? Emma?
Evaporation means when the water is down and it changes to the air.
Excellent job.
It's heat.
Very good. Hannah, can you read this?
Evaporate means to turn from a liquid into a vapor or gas.
Very good. Vapor.
Vapor.
Yes, vapor or gas. So, does this happen when it gets hot or when it gets cold? What do you think?
It's when it's hot.
Very good. Like when we boil water or a cup of coffee, there's all of this water vapor. This is just water as a gas, right? Because it's hot. What do you think condensing means? Everyone say condensing.
Condensing.
Very good.
Condensing.
Kui, what do you think condensing is?
Condense means to make something smaller. The gas turns into a liquid when it cools down.
Very good. So everyone, put your hands out like this. This is our gas. And then it gets cold and it gets smaller. Now we have liquid. Let's go like this, liquid. And then it gets hot and it turns into a gas. And then it gets cold, burr, and it turns into a liquid. So everyone, take your liquid and show me evaporate. It evaporates. Good, now it's condense. Show me how it condenses. Nice, okay.
The sun heat make water evaporate or change to a gas. The gas is pushed up and meet cooler air.
Very good. So, what do the lines show? What do these wavy lines show down here? Leo? It's water doing what?
It heat up. The water
Yes.
heat up.
Excellent. The water's heating up. It's evaporating. Very good. This is water turning into a gas. What makes liquid water evaporate? What makes the liquid water get hot and evaporate?
The sun.
Excellent. The sun's heat makes it hot and turns it into a gas. Very nice. Chi, can you please read this one for me? Sorry, 1 second. There you go. Go ahead.
Then the gas cools and condenses on change to tiny drops of water. The drops form clouds.
Very good. So, what happens when the evaporated gas cools down? Kwang Hai.
If the gas cools down, it will become the water again, liquid again.
Excellent job. It becomes clouds first, and when it gets really cold, we have rain. All right, next one. Sal, can you please read this one?
The water drop and
Join.
join to make bigger ones. The drops fall as
Precipitation.
precipitation.
Good. Remember, precipitation is rain, snow, any water that falls from the sky. Last one. Let's have Hacker, can you read this one, please?
The precipitation follows into rivers, lake, and ocean. Then the water recycle start again.
Very good. So the precipitation goes into the ocean, lakes, and rivers, and then it starts again and again and again in a pattern. So what do the arrows show? They show how the water moves. The water goes up, it goes over the land, it goes down, back into the water, up, over the land, down as rain, into the water. Okay, we don't have time to do the matching game. I'm just going to read the answers quickly. Condense is to turn from a liquid to a gas or a gas to a liquid. Everyone, condense liquid to gas or gas to a liquid. All right, good. So condense turns from a gas to a liquid like rain. Precipitation is any sort of water that falls from the sky. And evaporation. Your homework is to draw the water cycle. Write what happens at each step. So draw the arrow and write evaporate. Then write condense. The next arrow when it rains is precipitation. And then it goes into a body of water. It could be a river, a lake, the ocean. So draw the water cycle with the arrow and write what happens at each step. You can write this one word right here or a sentence, but at least write this one word at each step of the water cycle, okay? I can't wait to see them tomorrow. I can't wait to see your charts